What's up, everybody? I finally got my kayak inflated out here. Got my bag, got some iced tea, and got the Ugly Stick GX2 combo. Just got the thing from Walmart. Got a rooster tail rigged up. Alright, right under us is a big rainbow trout. Alright. Really sending it. It's really small, so I can't really cast it out that far. Move my kayak a little bit to the side. Alright, that should do it. Whoa. I don't know if I got that on. Oh, getting some nibbles. Whoa. Something's really going for it. Oh, I got him. Oh, yeah. First fish of the day, baby. Oh, we got him on the boat. We got him. We got him, boys. A good rainbow trout. Please don't fly off my boat. Please don't fly off my boat. Boys, we did it. First fish of the day.